Never blame anyone in life. The good people give you happiness. The worst people give you a lesson. And the best people give you memories. Everything in the world is temporary. Life changes, people come and go, and seasons never lasts. Always remember that your present situation is not your final destination. There is a purpose for everyone you meet. Some people come into your life to test you, some to teach you, some to use you, and some to bring out the very best in you. There are two things you can't get back in life: a word after it's said, an opportunity after it's missed.